Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to make templates. To begin, open Canva and choose to create a new design. You can start from scratch with a blank canvas or select one of Canva's many existing templates as a base. Focus on your brand's aesthetic by customizing colors, fonts, and images. This initial setup is crucial for establishing a consistent look and feel across all your future designs, making your template instantly recognizable and professional. Now, let's dive into customizing your template's elements. Canva offers a vast library of graphics, photos, and icons you can easily incorporate. For brand consistency, upload your own logos, specific images, and any unique brand assets. Remember to group related elements together. This ensures they move and resize as one unit, maintaining your design's integrity. This step is vital for creating a polished and professional template that truly reflects your vision. To make your template truly reusable, consider these key steps. First, lock any elements that should remain static, like your logo or background, preventing accidental edits. Next, add clear placeholder text and images where users will input their own content. This guides them effectively. If your template has different layouts or purposes, organize them into separate pages. This thoughtful preparation ensures your template is user-friendly and efficient for anyone who uses it. Finally, it's time to share your amazing Canva template. When sharing, select the template link option. This is crucial because it provides users with their own editable copy, ensuring your original design remains perfectly intact. Always keep a master copy of your template saved. This allows you to make any necessary updates or revisions without affecting shared versions. Sharing a template link makes collaboration and consistent branding incredibly simple and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.